What's up guys, today I'm gonna teach you how to solve the problem. So Pyraminx is one of the easiest puzzles, like 2x2 skewb, and it's going to be easy. Alright, so let's not waste time and jump to the tutorial. Okay, first we have to know what are the notations for Pyraminx, so that we can learn algorithms for Pyraminx. If you know how to solve 3x3 or 2x2, you will probably know the notations R, U, L, L prime, U prime, like that. Pyraminx has exact same thing, but a different one. In Pyraminx, you can also twist the corners like that. So, first, let's get to pieces before notations. In 3x3, I have one centerpiece, 4 edges, and 4 corners in one face. In Pyraminx, these are the corners which can be twisted, and these three pieces in one color are the centerpieces, and these 3 are the edge pieces. So, a Pyraminx has 4 faces, so it's going to be easy to solve rather than solving 6 faces. So it's going to be like not so different from 3x3, but a little different from 3x3. Okay, let's get to notations. This is R and R prime. This is U prime, L prime. So yes, this scrambled Pyraminx. So unlike 3x3, the centers which are always solved, it is not always solved in Pyraminx. So first step is to match the centers. So as I said, these 3 are the centerpieces. So choose any color which is easier for you. So here I can match these 2 centerpieces like this. So 2 pieces are solved. Here 1 centerpiece and centers are solved. So after some practice you might guess what is that. So you must probably know how to solve it with some practice, and after you might understand how it works. I will also do some example solves in the end, so don't worry. So yes, next is the easiest step of all. Even any non-cuber can do it. Okay, you must solve the corners. Just twist it. So you got the corners and centers right here. If it's like this, you can just twist, and corners and centers are solved here. Next, keep it down here. So we are gonna do first layer like in the beginner method of 3x3. So first layer in 3x3, we first do the edges and solve the corners to make first layer, but here we must solve the corners, then we will do the edges to solve the first layer. So here is the edge of yellow, which is our first layer color now, and yellow and red is there. So this piece is probably should come here. So you must keep it in the left side of here, in the left side, and do this algorithm. R, U dash, R dash. So that makes an insert. Next edge we can see here is yellow and blue, which is already in the left side of here, this piece must go here. So the algorithm R, U dash, R dash. Next piece here, but the problem is now you can't insert here in the right side because the pieces in the front. So you keep it in the right side and do the left side insert. L''UL. So that solves the first way. It may be tough to differentiate of the right side and the left side insert at the beginning, but you must take practice and do it all your own. And also make sure I will do more thing on this first way so that you can understand better. So here we have no edges solved. Here we saw edges yellow and red, which would come right here. So it's an right insert because if you match the color, the piece is in right. So right insert from R-U', R'. Next, yellow and green, right insert R-U', R'. Next, we have again a right insert R', R'. It's simple. If you are trying to match the color of the center, if you have this matching in the right side, it's a left insert. If you have matching, if you match in and the pieces in right side, left side, it's a right insert. So next step is easy. Just match the center pieces to other center pieces like that. So you have all centers match in Pyraminx. Now the corner, match the corner like that, and here's the last step, and you must run many algorithms to solve this. There are different cases, like in 3x3 last year, there are different cases like that exactly, and each case has its formula. Now, if you have like this, one block here and one block here, one block in right and the next block in left, and no blocks here. Here, R', L', R, U, R, U', here, R dash, R'. Next we have a mirror case like that, exactly, but here now it's a block in the left and block in the right. You keep in this block and do this formula. R', L, R, L', U', R, L', U', L. Now we have this case, which is two blocks in the same side and no blocks here. So we are gonna keep it like that, and the blocks in the back, and now do this. R', L, R, L', U, L', U', L. Next we have this case where no blocks in anywhere, so that makes a pattern like this. So what we are gonna do is find out which side the pieces is going. So these two pieces should come here, and these two pieces go there. So it's going to be like anti-clockwise, I guess. So the pieces should come in anti-clockwise. So you do this formula: R, U, R', U, R, U, R'. So we have the mirror of the case where this piece should go here, this piece should go here, so this piece should move clockwise side. So you do this: R', U', R, U', R', U', R. So that's it, guys. We have finally learned to solve the Pyraminx. So I'm gonna do some example solves. So here we go. So here's the first scramble. We see the green. I can see green centers here and here. So I'm going to do. So it's matched now. So I matched the centers, and here I twisted the corner. Next we see this edge. green and red. So I'm moving it to right side to match it. So it's in left insert. I'm doing the formula L prime UL. So another edge right over here. It's also a left side insert. So it's also a green and red, which also a left side insert because it's matching in the right side. So here we go. L prime UL. So we were lucky that all the 8 last formula is skipped. So here's a second scramble. We can see these two blue centers are matching and yellow is also matching. So we are and green here. Okay, I'm doing the green side. So first match these and these. So centers are now solved. Twist the corners are solved. Next we see an yellow and green edge. It's in left side inside because it's matched in right side. The formula. Then we have this red and green. It's also left side insert, and this is something I didn't teach you. If you learn to solve the 3x3 in the first day, you may also get like this case, like this, which is a parity case. The same case right here. Now, but the pieces suck here, so you must do the insert formula and the 3x3 same. You do the right side insert formula and you come back. This is why I do example solves, because I miss some things which might be confusing you. So it is also a left side insert. Do this. Centers are matched. Then we have this case where 2 blocks are in the same side and no blocks here. Keep it in opposite side and the formula. And we solved it. Now we have the next scramble. This is going to be the last example solved. We can see here 2 centers are matched and here's 1 center. We are going to do it in blue. It's easy. Match the corners and we can see the edge here, green and blue. So it's a right side insert. The formula R U prime R prime. Then we see here it's also a right side insert, R U prime R prime. Matching the centers, corners matched. So you can see the second case. Here's a block, here's a block. So right side, left side. So we are keeping here and doing the formula. And that's the example solves, guys. So that's it for this video. So hope you guys like it and soon learn Pyraminx. So if you like this video, smash that like button, subscribe for more tutorials like this, and click on the notification bell so you never miss an update. And see you guys later. Bye.